Hey guys, Dr. Mendez here, and I have a very special guest here. This is my beautiful wife, Holly. All right, and we are expecting our third baby in any time now, right?
Any day. 37 weeks.
37 weeks, and we thought it'd be really cool to show you what an adjustment looks like on pregnancy, and just the different nuances that we'll show you. I think it'll be really interesting and informative for you. Today is also a special day, huh?
Yes.
What is today?
Today's our 10-year wedding anniversary.
10 years. All right. Yeah, so we have had 3 kids. Well, we're gonna have 3
Third
kids.
on the way.
Yep. And we've had so our firstborn, he's 6, and we have our daughter who's 4, and then we've had all natural births.
We've had all natural births because chiropractic care, being under care.
Talk a little louder. I don't know if they can talk a little louder.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. We've had 2 successful natural births, and
Okay.
just all due to wonderful chiropractic care and educating ourselves on healthy natural birth and how it's possible. You can birth without drugs. It's awesome. It's beautiful, and I attribute our success to being under chiropractic care and making sure our nervous system is functioning at full capacity, and feeling great.
Cool. Yeah. Awesome. So yeah, we've had a birth center birth for the first one, home birth for the second. We're gearing up for another home birth.
Yes,
so
we're super
totally
excited.
drug free. Our kids have been totally drug free.
Yeah.
It's really cool to see how chiropractic and the philosophy and the art and science have just played an integral, vital part in our success and our family's health and our kids' well-being. So we thought it'd be really cool just to share that with you. So, all right, cool. Now let's go face down over here, babe. And, sorry. Okay, so let's go face down, but what we're gonna do is lift up this table here. That creates a lot of space for the belly.
Okay.
Or the bump, or whatever. All right, so let's scoot down just a little. Cool, all right. So we've been getting adjusted, obviously, for a long time on a regular basis, but especially with pregnancy, that causes a lot of dynamic changes in the body and the spine and the nervous system. So getting adjusted throughout pregnancy does a tremendous benefit on the spine, the nervous system, and mama and baby. So this is how we're gonna adjust a pregnant person right here. So now look, the belly is totally free. So when we lift up this table here, that creates a lot of space for the baby. So now this position is really comfortable because at this stage for several months, we're not able to lay on your stomach, obviously. So when you come and get adjusted, our tables are geared for this, and by propping it up, that creates a lot of space for the baby, and it takes a lot of the stress off the lower back here. So basically what we're gonna do is adjust according to her x-rays, like usual, but we're also gonna make sure that the pelvis is in good alignment, the sacrum, everything, and the neck. By realigning and adjusting the spine, that's gonna cause the health of the person, of Holly here, to get as good as possible, to get as healthy as possible so the baby can develop as healthy as possible in the belly and in utero. So I'm adjusting the lower back now, we're doing traction on the spine, putting pressure on the disc, just light enough but effective enough to get the discs open. And this obviously relieves a lot of tension in the spine and the nerves. So essentially with all the changes that are happening with the pendulous belly and the abdomen, that can cause some straining on the pelvis and the lower back. So getting adjusted throughout pregnancy is going to really help ease that tension. It helps with back labor. It could even help the baby get into the optimal position, and that's really important to have a successful labor and delivery and birth. Okay, so now another cool technique, there's a technique called the Webster technique, and by putting pressure on the sacrotuberous ligament here can rebalance the sacrum and the pelvis right here, and what I'm looking for are the breathing changes in the spine. And when that happens, we've achieved the parasympathetic effect. So this balances the pelvis, adjust the sacrum. And by realigning and adjusting the pelvis, that helps the baby to get in the optimal position. Because we find if there is a abnormal positioning, that's usually due or can be caused by malposition or subluxations in the spine and the pelvis. All right, do it. All right, babe, so we're gonna have you this side up, facing me this way. We're gonna have you come up towards here. Let's straighten both legs there. So getting adjusted is very comfortable. Just laying completely on our side. Perfect. All right, let's go on the other side. Getting adjusted during pregnancy can help ensure an easier labor and birth and delivery. Faster birth is always appealing, right?
Yes.
Easier birth is always appealing, right?
Yes.
Perfect. All right, on your back. So when we adjust the neck, obviously we're just gonna be doing just like regular. Perfect. Beautiful. All right. Give yourself a nice big hug. Okay, all right, let me help you out. Cool. Yep, so that's simple as that, very straightforward. That's going to ensure, obviously we're maintaining a healthy pregnancy, but we're going to support, the spine, the pelvis, the nervous system for optimal birth and delivery, and that's what we're expecting. So,
Yes.
all right, love you.
Love you.